Hello there guys, glad to see all of you watching another video of mine. After working hard for over 10 months, finally I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. I would like to thank everyone for all your support and trust you have shown in me by giving me projects to work on. In this video, I'm going to show the working of an interesting script which I have recently developed. The script scrapes prices of oil for predefined location from multiple websites and populates them into Google Sheet. The script is hosted on cloud as it is supposed to run at the same time every day. Now, let me describe the project requirement. Client has a list of locations from which prices of oil is to be scraped from multiple websites. The scraped prices are required to be updated into Google Spreadsheet. Client also wants the script to run on a server so that script can execute every day at the same time without any manual interference. Let's get into the theory and see how the script should work. Firstly, script connects to the proxy server and use residential proxies to avoid getting blocked. Then the script selects first website from the list of websites that we need to scrape. After that, script will select first location from the list of locations available for the website that was selected in the last step, and the script will perform following tasks. Number 1. Check if the given location is available on the website. Number 2. If location is found, it scrapes the price for 150 gallon of oil for that location. Then script will check if there is any location left that is not scraped so far. If yes, then script will return to the third step and select next location and continue. If no, then the script will consider that it has scraped prices for all the location for this website, and so it will upload the data into the Google spreadsheet. Then script will check if there is any website left that is not scraped so far. If yes, the script will return to the second step and select the next website and continue. If no, then the script will simply terminate. Let me now head over to Chrome browser and show you how the Google spreadsheet looks. This is the column for the name of the website from which the data is scraped. These are the columns for the location and zip code that the oil prices belongs to. This is the column of the date on which the prices was pulled, and this column represents the price for 150 gallon of oil. Okay, let's now see this into action. For the sake of this video, I will limit the number of websites from which prices are to be scraped to 3 and number of locations for each website to 4. Also, since I don't want to disturb the script running on the server, I will run it on my local machine to show how it works. Let me now move to my terminal and execute the script. The first thing script will do is to connect to the proxy server and use residential proxies so that script hits the server with different IP address every time. Moving ahead, the script goes into the first website, that is codeoil.com, and starts to pull prices for the predefined location. CodeOil is a bit slow website, so we need to wait for it to load. Okay, so now script has entered the zip code for our first location and pressed enter. Again, it will take some time for it to load, and we can see here that the price of 150 gallon of oil is $2.28. Script will perform this for the remaining 3 locations that are assigned to this website in the script itself. After prices are scraped for all 4 locations, it will start to populate prices of oil for this website into the spreadsheet. And you can see that the spreadsheet is getting updated. Script will repeat this process for the other 2 websites, that is cashheatingoil.com and cheapestoil.com, and scrape the prices of 150 gallons of oil for all 4 locations assigned to each of this website and populate the script prices into the spreadsheet. Okay, now that script has successfully executed, we can see in the spreadsheet that these are the data for cod oil website, and these are for the cash heating oil, and lastly these are for the cheapest oil website. These are the websites, these are the location, and these are the zip codes. These are the dates, and finally these are the prices for 150 gallon of oil. Now let me just go through a couple of websites and confirm if the prices that we have scraped so far are correct. So for code oil website, let's check price for this location. So I will simply copy the zip code and place it here. and press enter. Just give it some time. As I said earlier, this is a pretty slow website, and we can see here that the price for 150 gallon of oil is $2.34, which is also that we have in our spreadsheet. Again, we will repeat this for cash heating oil and for the same zip code. Let's copy the same zip code and paste it here and press enter. Now we can see here that the prices of 150 gallon of oil is $2.15 and is same as that in the spreadsheet. So we can say that the prices of other zip codes should also be correct.
So I guess this explains properly about the working of this project. If you have any such work or need any kind of data from any website, please feel free to contact me through Upwork. You can also contact me through Instagram, Twitter, or through Gmail. Links of all these medium can be found in the description. Also, do subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share this video if you liked my work, as it will help me a lot as I am just starting out. See you all in next video. Till then, take care, work hard and party harder.